Ritang'a ria Urumwe Kaunti ya Meru thutha wa uteti muhiu uria wacungirie kuhagurwo kwa gavana Kawira Mwangaza na uria wacokire kuhonokio ni Senate ni riyukitio ni honge itiganite ica ikuhi kanitha ukiambiriria mubango uyu akiaria gicigo-ini gia Kathero Igembe ya gatagati Bishop Joseph Ntombura wa kanitha wa Methodist augite ndugamano iria ikoretwo ho ni coketie uthii wa nambere wa kaunti ino makinya maingi na thutha.
It appears for sometimes we haven't had very good mentors, and that's why sometimes Meru has become a laughing stock when it comes to national issues. And the people have been wondering whether they are elders in Meru, and for sure they are there, but we have probably in the past taken our elders for granted, or rather we have looked upon so much on the fake elders that will mislead our leaders. Sometimes we look upon them, well aware that they will lead you to the right direction, but they often have failed, mislead us.
Muthenya wa Kiumia kiumia-ini kihituku abunge kuma kaunti ino ni magire na gikaro na munini wa president rigathi gachagua itemi-ini ria gwetha thayu riria rikereka ria keri ria mĩario ino.
We had a meeting yesterday, and a very serious one, with the deputy president and the leadership of this country is aware of what's going on, and the issue of Meru County is an issue which is very crucial to us, and we are handling it with the most care kuhakikisha tuna amani Meru na tunaenda vizuri Meru.
The president believes that those people who elected the governor, they are the same people who elected him, they are the people who elected Gile, and they are the people who elected us. And in that regard, there is need for harmony in Meru County.
Munini wake munini wa gavana Isaac Mutuma augite ari na mwihoko riri wa Meru ni ugucokeria kiuria aikari magia na ukiririria.
Wa Meru wanasema asante kwa rais wetu na deputy president, hata maongeo ambayo yanaendelea kuleta amani Meru, kuuzisha viongozi leadership ya Meru County Assembly, kuuzisha all the 9 MPs wa Meru, kuuzisha women rep na senator na all the players wa siasa za Meru. Tunashukuru na tunaomba amani indumu Meru, ndipo watu wa Meru wapate maendeleo, Meru isonge mbele, kwa sababu kuna ndoto, kwa sababu kuna kitu ambacho Mungu angependa kufanya kwa watu wa Meru kupitia Her Excellency the Governor wa Meru, Mheshimiwa Kawira Mwangaza.
Kawira hagurirwo ni MCAs 68 thutha wa gwĩkĩrwo ũhũthĩri mũru wa wabici ya cira uria mahadire bunge-ini ya Senate ndwari na itũmi njiganu cia kũmũhagũra. Thutha ũcio munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua ni ehotorire kũrehe atongoria ya hamwe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndong'o.